Welcome back. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great and fantastic Saturday. Just as a reminder, we do stream every Tuesday and Thursday at twitch.tv/Sygnosa. Times are varying right now because of work, but follow me on Twitter and you guys can keep up to date with what I'm doing on my daily activities, as well as we have a growing community of people who just want to have fun and play. You guys can also check that out at the description below in the Discord. And now new on this channel, if you guys type in kit.co/Sygnosa on your web browser, you guys have access to tons of different kits that I have curated for people trying to build budget PCs, pro gaming PCs, and a bunch of streaming equipment there. You guys can check out everything, including what I'm actually using myself. Without that, let's get straight into the video. All right, guys, jumping right into the video. Today, we're going to teach you in this very short video, if you guys already own a GoXLR or a GoXLR Mini, how to set it up with your console using your Astro mix amp, so you guys can be able to talk through the same microphone that you guys hear me talking here whenever you're playing on your PC or you want to play on your console. Get the same microphone through your console and be able to hear everything through your GoXLR. All right. So right here, you're either going to pull out your GoXLR or GoXLR Mini. Here it is. You guys can see it's working as I'm talking. And you're going to have your Astro mix amp, and I'm going to tell you everything you guys need. You guys can say hi to Ghost. Ghost is right over here. So to show you guys the back of the port, simple connections. You already know you have it connected to your PC. This right here, you're going to need an optical cable right over here. That optical cable is going to go directly from your mixer to your console. And then this other, you're gonna need a line out cable, like a 3.5 millimeter jack cable, audio cable, aux cable. That's gonna go a line out from here into your mix amp. Now, the only thing that's gonna be connected to your console besides that digital optical cable that I set back there is gonna be your mix amp, only via the USB. That USB straight into the console, that's gonna be the only thing that's connected to the console besides the digital. And then you have your mix amp. Now, in order to get your microphone onto the console, you will need a chat splitter, like a headset and a chat right here, splitter. We're only gonna use the chat side. So make sure you identify whichever one has the little chat logo. I don't know if you could see it there. And real quick, one thing that many people haven't been telling anybody, it's that whenever you do these line out things, for some reason there is a ground loop, so it creates a little bit of like a hissing or like a buzzing in the background, where it's just like zzz, even though like it's working, and that's really annoying to the ear. So I'm gonna actually put a link to everything that I'm mentioning here at the bottom in the description for the video, so you guys can know where to get these items, so you don't have to go crazy. This is actually a quality recommended a ground loop isolator from Amazon. It's only about 10 bucks. The link is gonna be down below, and you're gonna connect that. If you get any hissing or anything you need, when you guys can order one, and you'll connect that to the chat side of the splitter, and you have your ground loop isolator right there, boom. And then this side, you connect the 3.5 that goes all the way to the line out on the GoXLR Mini, and that's it. You don't have anything else to do with the mix amp. The mix amp, this is all set. That's it. Now we're gonna jump in to the computer, so you guys can see the settings that we have to adjust for the GoXLR Mini, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up on the PS4 and on the Xbox. All right, now hopping right onto our desktop right over here, guys. We have the GoXLR Mini, GoXLR software, whichever one you have. You guys know I have the Mini. This is what you guys are gonna set up. I did a separate video on that. The link is going to be down below in the description as well, on how to set up your mic, how to set up your mixer. We're just focusing on the routing. So obviously you have your mic, headphone, broadcast. You want to make sure that your microphone is checked on line out. So anything that's going through that 3.5 millimeter jack line out on your from your mixer and your console, everybody on your console can hear it. And then you have your chat, obviously, so you can hear yourself. Besides anything else, which I covered on a separate video, the one tab you're going to focus on is console. You want to make sure console has headphones checked, because you want to be able to hear everything that goes on through your console, the game, your teammates, everything. And then you want broadcast stream mix to be there as well, so that everybody can hear your voice. The stream can hear your voice. If you guys stream through the PS4 or you're just talking in general or whatever, they're going to be able to hear you. Line out and chat mic, you don't have to check. You don't want them hearing themselves. You don't want them having to hear everything that goes on through your mixer and stuff like that. Like I said, I covered a separate video on that. And yeah, that's going to be that right there. So that's really simple. Now we're going to hop into the settings for the Xbox and for the PS4. Now I don't have my Xbox connected, so I'm going to have 2 screenshots just showing where you have to go on the Xbox to connect it for whoever has an Xbox. And if you have a PS4, I'm going to show you exactly how to get to your settings and stuff like that and set that up. All right, let's get to it. All right, so right here to continue off, if you are on an Xbox, you're going to go over to your settings on your Xbox One. You're going to go to the option of display and sound. You're going to go to display and sound. And then you want to make sure that you go down here to where it says audio output. Audio output. That's exactly where you guys want to go. After you go to audio output, you guys are going to go see where it says speaker audio. You want to make sure that your optical audio says stereo uncompressed and your headset audio also says stereo uncompressed. This right here doesn't matter as much, but I keep them the same because that's what ended up working. But you want to make sure to have optical audio stereo uncompressed and headset format stereo uncompressed. And that's it. For the Xbox, that's it. Nothing more. When you turn on your system, you should be able to just kind of connect your headset, whatever, connect the cable to the mix amp, and it'll start registering a headset. And then you could just go into a party, talk, whatever you want to do, game chat, whatever it is, and it's going to work. Now let's move on to the PS4. All right, guys, to get right into the PS4 settings, this is real quick. All you have to do with your PS4 controller, you're going to go up top. You're going to go through all of this. You're going to go over here, settings. You're going to make sure first to go to your sound and screen settings. After you go to sound and screen settings, you want to go to audio output settings. You want to make sure your audio format priority is on linear PCM, not on bitstream Dolby, not on bitstream DTS, linear PCM. And then the primary output port could just stay the way it is. Then you want to go back up to where it says devices, audio devices, and then you don't have to have switch output device automatically, because for me, every time I turn that on, this automatically goes back to USB headset. But what worked for me was TV or AV amplifier, so you guys can do that if the USB headset doesn't work for you guys. And then you want to go ahead and input settings, USB headset Astro mix amp. Quick tip: if you guys are using a mix amp that is an Xbox mix amp and you're using it on the PS4 or vice versa, if you're using a PS4 mix amp on an Xbox or something else that is not that console, do not have the Astro mix amp on console mode, because if you use an Xbox mix amp on the PS4 or a PS4 one on the Xbox and it's on console mode, it won't register your mic, it won't pick anything up. You have to put it on PC mode, just as a quick reminder to you guys. After that, you guys can go to adjust microphone level right here, and you guys can see it's peaking right now because this microphone picks up a lot with the gain that I have on the mixer. So you guys control that. You like down here, this is fine because that way I'm able to talk and it's not peaking. So you want to make sure you're not peaking because you're not blowing out your friends' ears and stuff like that. So I can keep it over here. You want to make sure that the microphone level is on either on good, but not all the way to like too high or anything, or it sounds like you're killing somebody's ear, peaking, etc. That's good. That's a good enough level for me. And also you guys can see we're gonna back out. We're gonna go to a party. I already created a party. So you guys can see it's fully working. We created a party. And like I said, you can go to party settings from here as well. When you create the party, go to adjust microphone level so you guys can see and make sure that you're not peaking or anything. And then from there, you guys are basically all set with the PS4. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions, I will be leaving the Discord to TC Helicon in the description, as well as you guys can join my Discord. Anybody there will help you guys. They'll make sure to assist you guys if there's any issues that's going on with that. You guys can hop into one of those 2 Discords, and we'll make sure to help you out. I'll help you out myself. Sorry about hitting the microphone, guys. Other than that, that's pretty much the setup when it comes to the PS4, the Xbox with the GoXLR Mini or GoXLR. That covers just the whole Astro mix amp setup. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the little bell notification icon to know when we update our next video. And I promise, guys, I'm working a lot more videos so we can not just stick to a Saturday schedule, but also have videos out before that. But without further ado, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys thought down in the description. If you guys like to see more videos like this, you guys have any other technical needs that you need help on, I can do videos on those to help you guys out. And as always, guys, this has been Sygnosa, aka the Nosa, and we'll see you on the next video.